This is the last time I fly with a budget airline. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, if you look over the side, you might see Anvil Gate, the lovely historic city of Anvil. It is lovely, right?
Even Sam says it's the ass end of the world, and it's her hometown. So it's got to be Mira that's holding your dad, Marcus.
And now she knows I'm coming for him.
Baird, you sure this thing's still on course?
Look, I programmed the course Sam gave us. You want a coloring book or something? Pencils? Look, something shiny.
You kids better behave. Don't make me turn this thing around.
Baird, how long before we're in radial range of Anvil Gate? We're past the halfway mark. Ooh, maybe Hoffman will have the coffee ready.
Oh, yeah. And some cookies, too.
Someone's taking a pounding out there.
Hold them off as best I can. Anyone picking this up? Now, this is truck 54. I need some help fast, or else I'm gonna be kissing my ass goodbye.
I don't believe it. That you, Dizzy?
Marcus Reed? Well, I'll be damned. Where are you, son?
We're on our way, Dizzy. See the extra barge coming in? That's us.
Ejector grub barge? Damn, Marcus, you got some hangers on you.
Hangers, son of a bitch. I'll get those grubs off your back. Hang on. Hey, looks like you're carrying ammo crates. You thinking what I'm thinking? Let's target them and see what happens. Good call, there. One left.
Oh, yeah! Two in a row. Nice shooting.
Bear, get this thing as close to the ground as you can. We're going in. Just in case it decides to go exploring without us. You taking on the grub army single-handed again, Dizzy?
I guess I should learn my lesson against scores.
Well, looks like you learned plenty.
Nice! Oh, yeah! We've got a reaver!
Take out that buzzer!
Revive me! Oh, yeah! Nothing but bits. Down in front. Okay, we're clear.
Wasn't expecting to run into you boys again. Come on, help me move some of this ammo before the goddamn grubs come back. I found a stash back here before the grubs jump me. Fort needs every round we can get.
Dizzy, we've come to find Hoffman. Last time we saw you, you were both heading for Anvil Gate.
Yeah, he's got the fort fitted out real nice. I drive this route trading supplies with other camps. When I can slip past the goddamn grubs, that is.
But has he still got Prescott's data disk? You know, the one I could never crack? Because we really need it.
Sure he has. He's still cussing about it. Hey, you found the magic word to open it?
Long story. Let's grab the supplies and go.
Haha! This is more like it. Some serious stopping power.
Grab whatever you can carry and let's get back to the barge. More reavers and guards! Guards!
Wow! Here's one for your stink-ass queen, bitch! You're a pretty good shot for a stranded, Dizzy.
More of Mira's guard! She's keeping him busy!
That's gotta hurt.
We cleared out the buzzards.
Okay, then let's bug out while we can. Get to the barge. Come on, Baird, you're driving.
You can't drive this. You admire the view and hope the nav program works.
I don't give a shit. It's good enough for me.
Gas bags to the truck!
Whoa! They're gonna bring us down!
And what do we do, kids? We aim for their ammo!
Shit! We got a barge right in our ass!
for its size.
Great! Looks like the whole Grub Air Force is after us.
Get on the turrets and take them out!
Look out, Bart! Get ahead!
That's a hell of a lot of firepower down there.
Are we in radio range yet? Better warn Harper the Grubs are coming.
This is Marcus Phoenix to Anvil Gate. Over. Ah, damn, I'm just getting static. Foolish boy. Okay, that just ruined my day. Mira's back.
That beetle of hers must be turbocharged. She's too fast to target.
I can't get a fix on her either.
You ever get the feeling she's just dicking with us?
No, Tom, this feels like a pretty sincere attempt on my life.
Slow this thing down?
Oh, it'll slow right down when we crash.
Oh, man. Everybody in one piece?
I'll get back to you on that.
Hold your fire! Phoenix? What in the hell are you doing here?
There's a column of grubs heading this way, Colonel. Let's get out of here and I'll explain.
Okay, mount up! Get on the radio and warn the fort we got grubs inbound. It's been a long time, Phoenix. I'm guessing you didn't come all this way to inquire about my health.
No. We've got something for you. The key for Prescott's data disk.
Well, you must think it's pretty damn urgent. Hell, I'd almost given up on the damn thing.
Yeah. It contains information where Prescott's holding my father. Azura. Ring any bells with you?
What in the hell do you mean, holding your father?
I got a message from him. He didn't get killed after all. Prescott had him kidnapped.
Dear God Almighty! And all that shit's on the disc? Well, where'd you get the key?
Prescott handed it to me today. Just before he died.
Well, Phoenix, I have no goddamn idea what to say. And that's a first for me.
Contact! Grubs at the front gates! All personnel to stand to positions!
I'll fill you in after we dealt with our visitors.
Load up and meet me at the front gate. I'll be damned if I'll let those bastards take this fort.
Grab some weapons and get to the front gate!
Bernie, you're on off. Get on the PA system and call it out.
Okay, will do. All personnel stand to! Hold the front gate! We've got a whole Grub battalion out there, people!
Never seen this many of them out here before.
Well, I think we might have pissed them off. We ran into the Queen.
She's fine! God damn it! Phoenix, any more
shields down and just let me kill you! Hey, I promise I'll kill you fast! The Pojays who mean, bitch! Come on, drop them! Yeah, we're dropping them, but they've invited all their cousins. Shut up!
God damn it, they're gonna overrun us! Pull back!
The second gate is down. We've got grubs in the inner courtyard. Everybody fall back to the third gate. Concentrate fire on the inner courtyard.
Oh, yeah. Some more!
Take cover. Boomers at the gate.
Sweet. They're going for the garage! Man, those turrets!
All personnel, they breached the last gate. Fall back and defend the garage.
We can't let him get any further!
More fire! Frag out! Who's next? I got some more! Bring it!
All personnel, prepare for last resort. I repeat, prepare for last resort.
Last resort? What's he talking about, last resort?
Bernie's gonna push the reserve fuel tank in the yard, and we're gonna blow it sky high! That'll stop these assholes!
Up there!
Wait for it! Wait for it! Now!
Concentrate fire on that fuel tank!
Enemy reinforcement!
Taking fire! Oh yeah! Feel the heat, bitches! Feel the heat!
Fort is now secure. I repeat, the fort is now secure. All fire control teams to the central courtyard. The place is burning, people! Get those fire stands down!
That's the last of them. For a while, anyway.
Yeah, probably just long enough to get rid of the smell of burning grub.
Colonel, we better have that talk now.
But that's downright unbelievable, even for that asshole. So, this thing your dad's invented, it'll kill off the Lambent? What about the rest of the grubs?
No guarantees. Just because they turn into Lambent doesn't mean it'll work on them. But we still gotta find out where Azura is.
Shame about the hammer. It's just what we need.
Goddamn thing! It still triggers a few satellites, but forget about accuracy.
Maybe I can fix that.
Baird, here's the disc. A maze. Bernie, you are not gonna believe this shit.
It'll have to wait, Vic. Is anyone monitoring the radio net? It's Sam and Anya. They're pinned down outside the perimeter.
We're on it, Bernie. Come on, people, lock and load.
I'll get someone to drive the truck for you.
What? Did I miss something, Blondie?
I'll let your old man fill you in. Just keep an eye on his blood pressure. Stay calm, deep breaths, that kind of stuff, okay?
Cole, with me. Dom, you and Bernie get up there and give us some cover while Baird works on the hammer. Anya, we're coming to get you. Are you okay? Where's Chase?
We're pinned down. Chase isn't here. He's on his way with Carmine.
Okay, Anya, hold on.
We'll get him covering fire. Go get him!
Yo, Marcus, I see the lady behind the back horse.
Look out! Take her!
Marcus, are you okay? Marcus! Come on, get up! Keep your head down!
Come on, fall back to the fort!
Shit, Marcus! Now the Lambent are joining the party!
Let's just get everybody inside! Baird, we're being overrun with Lambent. Bring the hammer online.
Okay, but you better get in here. We don't have full control.
Just fire it up! Drag out! Chloe, piece of shit!
Shoot the pod!
Hey now, you piece of shit!
Fire in the hole!
Hands up!
Marcus! That don't look good.
It's firing! Now!
Rocket! Run!
Run! Everybody, get to the fort!
Did we fry that bitch?
Looks that way.
All right, everybody get inside. We've got unfinished business to... What the hell? Go on, everybody get to the rear of the fort! Run!
Thing in her chest.
That's gotta be a weak spot. Aim for it!
Give her all you got, people! Now!
Wait until the ribs open! Aim for the heart! Yeah, you get cozy with her. I'll stand back.
Man, this is one tough bitch. Even for the cold train. Hey, sexy baby, come on, mama. Come to the cold train.
Leaking emulsion! Keep clear!
Man down! Get up!
So, how was it for you?
Are we done here? Come on, Baird, we got a job to do.
There you go, Azura. No pictures, but plenty of data and maps. Knock yourself out.
But it's an island. How the hell do you hide an island?
That's how. More of Prescott's top-secret bullshit. What the hell's a maelstrom barrier?
Some kind of shielding device. Wow, an artificial hurricane around the island. Hey, Prescott was really investing in the crazy tyrant technology. I almost admire that. But it looks like the only way in is to go under it.
Well, there's an old sub laid up at the shipyard in Endeavor.
Yeah, if it's seaworthy, if you can get the motors running, and if you can fuel it.
Now, son, that's where I come in. I'm ex-merchant Navy. I can fix it, drive it, and fuel it. If you can find a place to fill the tanker.
We can detour via Mercy or Char. I know Mercy. It's an emulsion pumping station. Let's try there first.
You sure you want to go there?
What, because it's Maria's hometown? I can handle that now. And we need the fuel.
Can't help noticing you haven't insisted on coming along, Colonel.
I didn't surrender this town in the last war, and I'll be damned if I'm going to abandon it to a bunch of glowy grubs now. Right, Bernie?
Yeah, we're too old to run. We'll just sit on the front porch and blow the shit out of anything that moves.
All right. Baird, Cole, you go find reinforcements. Sub or no sub, we'll be screwed if we don't get some backup. We need transport, weapons, and anyone who can fight. Okay, let's roll.